Remains in effect until 10 p.m. and now includes the following: Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, Wilmette Harbor to Northerly Island, Illinois, and Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, Illinois. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
They did that to me. Calm down.
Until 10 p.m. and now includes the following counties in Illinois: Cook, DuPage, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, Livingston, and Will. Remember,
Oh fuck! If they go for Indiana,
conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for.
I ended the video thinking it wasn't gonna be a doubleheader, but it was. So whatever.
Stay tuned to NOAA
That
Weather
pisses me
Radio,
off.
commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
What? Trip letter. Son of a bitch, trip letter.
Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
What else did they put out?
17 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located near Solmonok, or near Sandwich, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
70 miles an hour.
Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. The strongest winds are moving toward Hinkley, Caneville, and Sugar Grove.
Okay, that's.
Source: radar indicated.
I don't think that's near here.
Impact: expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, DeKalb, Bartlett, Plainfield, St. Charles, Oswego, West Chicago, Batavia, Geneva, Yorkville, Campton Hills, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Shabbona, South Elgin, Montgomery, North Aurora, and Sugar Grove. Including the following interstates: Interstate 80 between mile markers 120 and 122. Interstate 88 between mile markers 92 and 120. This includes Aurora University, Fermilab, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, and Waubonsee Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's
Okay.
Weather Radio KZZ.
Calm down.
Outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Yorkville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters.
What?
A 64 miles per hour wind gust was measured in Plano.
Come on.
Impact: expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Wheaton, Downers Grove, Elmhurst, Lombard, Bartlett, Carroll Stream, Romeoville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Addison, Glendale Heights, Elk Grove Village, St. Charles and Woodridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 249 and 282. Interstate 80 between mile markers 123 and 148. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 290 between mile markers 5 and 19. Interstate 355 between mile markers
It isn't even
1
gonna
and
hit
30.
us, so it doesn't even matter.
This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Brookfield Zoo, University of St. Francis, Benedictine University, Chicagoland Speedway, Route 66 Raceway, College of DuPage County Fairgrounds, Joliet Junior College, Joliet Slammers Baseball, Lewis University, Moraine Valley Community College, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elgin to near Joliet, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots.
I guess it's not severe.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver Crib, Wilmette Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Montrose Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Hammond Marina, Jackson Park Harbor, and Belmont Harbor. A severe thunderstorm warning.
Can't leave the fucking damn thing. What do we got? Tornado warning.
Chicago has issued a tornado warning for East Central King County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m.
Shit.
At 9:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing both tornadoes and extensive straight-line wind damage were located over Geneva, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado.
That's crazy.
Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. These dangerous storms will be near West Chicago, Warrenville, and DuPage Airport around 9:05
Really?
p.m. Bartlett, Winfield, and Wayne around 9:10 p.m. Wheaton, Carroll Stream, Glen Ellen, and Bloomingdale around 9:15 p.m. Lombard, Hanover Park, and Glendale Heights around 9:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Addison, Roselle, Villa Park, Itasca, Elmhurst, Elk Grove Village, Bensonville, and Wooddale. This includes Benedictine University, College of DuPage County Fairgrounds, King County Cougars Ballpark, Morton Arboretum, Wheaton College, and North Central College. Including the following interstates: Interstate 88 between mile markers 123
2-minute warning.
and 139. Interstate 290 between
It's
mile
gonna cut
markers
off.
5 and 15. Interstate 355 between mile markers 19 and 30. Take cover now.
Wait, never mind.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
We got it in just in time.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZ.
I ain't worried about it. What the hell, again? Here they go again.
thunderstorm warning for northern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 10 p.m. At 9:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Lisle, or over Naperville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
I don't know, they still have it 70.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Chicago, Elgin, Cicero, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Mount Prospect, Hoffman Estates, Oak Park, Glenview, Bartlett, O'Hare Airport, and Streamwood. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 282 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 353 and 358. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 105. Interstate 94 between mile markers 30 and 66. Interstate 290 between mile markers 1 and 5, and between mile markers 20 and 29. Interstate 294 between mile markers 30 and 66. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Oakton Community College, Schaumburg Boomers Baseball, SeatGeek Stadium, Triton College, University of Chicago, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, Harper College, Hawthorne Park, Northeastern Illinois University, Northwestern University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Wrigley Field, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry,
Cut it off.
Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado.
Here they go again.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 11:15 p.m. At 10:40 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near St. John to Lake Dalecarlia to near Shelby to near Morocco, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Schererville, Hobart, Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Winfield, New Chicago, Lake Dalecarlia, Shelby, Schneider, and Sumava Resorts. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 11 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 18 and 21. Indiana Interstate 94 near mile marker 16. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 262 and 260. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Indiana Motor Speedway, and Lake County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's Weather Radio KZ.